We could have saved so many lives and properties if it would have happened earlier. Last 20 months, since 20 months, Manipur is burning like anything. How many lives have been already sacrificed? How many property has been demolished? The people from one area is not in a position to move another area in the same states. This is the pathetic situation of a state within our country. The day one onward we are asking Prime Minister should visit the state and Prime Minister to take initiative for making peace there. But nothing happened. Now, because of the non-confidence motion moved by the Congress party and the situation happened in Supreme Court, they are forced to resign. He is forced to resign from the Chief Ministership. That's all. First of all, let the Prime Minister go there and sit and discuss with the stakeholders and to find out a solution. Why don't Prime Minister is not visiting? What is stopping him to visit? Everything is right, okay, brother. At least if you visit Manipur and try to solve the issues, make Manipur as a peaceful state. We are very much worried that in the same state, the people cannot travel across inside the state. This situation, Prime Minister has a duty to solve these issues. Let him do that.